Have you ever felt English exhausting? You start with strong motivation. You promise yourself daily practice. You imagine fluent speaking soon. Then reality hits very fast. Words feel confusing again. Grammar feels heavy again. Listening feels impossible again. You open a lesson. You close it quickly. Your energy disappears. Your confidence slowly fades. Days pass without English. Guilt grows quietly inside. You feel stuck again. You feel tired of trying. You think English is hard. You think something is wrong. You blame your memory. You blame your focus. But the truth is simple. English was never the problem. The method was the problem. Most learners suffer same pain. They try too much. They expect too fast. They push too hard. This creates pressure. Pressure kills learning. Pressure kills consistency. Do not worry anymore. Today, everything changes. This video simplifies everything. In this video, you will learn one truth. English can feel easy. English can feel natural. By the end, you will understand clearly how English fits your life without stress or overload. Before we begin, like this video now. Leave your thoughts below. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let us start. English must feel lighter. Most people treat English like a serious project. Schedules, rules, discipline, goals. This makes English heavy. Heavy things get avoided. Language was never designed to be studied like math. Language was designed to live. The easiest way in 2026 is changing your relationship with English learning. Stop trying to learn English. Start letting English exist. English should appear daily, without preparation, without effort. Think about breathing. You never schedule breathing. You never force breathing. English should feel similar. Natural, constant, effortless. This is the core idea. Now, let us break it down. First simple shift. Stop chasing fluency. Fluency is a result, not a starting point. When you chase fluency, you rush everything. You skip foundation. Instead, chase familiarity. Familiarity builds comfort. Comfort builds confidence. Confidence leads to fluency. How to build familiarity. See English every day. Hear English every day. Use English lightly. No pressure required. For example, watch short English clips, not full lessons. Listen while relaxed, not while stressed. Read simple sentences, not long explanations. Let English surround you, like background music. This creates familiarity, without mental effort. Second simple shift. Remove study time. Study time creates resistance. Life already feels busy. Instead, embed English inside existing routines. Do not add time. Replace small moments. For example, morning phone checking. Switch one video to English. Even 1 minute counts. Another example, daily walking routine. Play English audio softly. Another example, before sleeping scrolling. Read English captions. You are not studying. You are consuming normally. This keeps English alive. Third simple shift. Lower expectations deeply. High expectations destroy habits. Many learners say, I must study 1 hour. This never lasts. Life interrupts easily. Instead, decide tiny actions. 2 minutes daily English. 1 sentence daily thinking. Tiny actions survive chaos. Some days feel busy. Some days feel heavy. Tiny habits still fit. Say 1 English sentence daily. I feel tired today. I want rest now. Today was stressful. These sentences matter. They activate language. They maintain connection. Consistency matters more than intensity ever will. 4th simple shift. Use English, not analyze English. Analysis creates tension. Rules grammar mistakes correctness. This blocks natural flow. Children learn language by using, not by analyzing rules. Talk to yourself simply. Describe what you see. This is coffee. The weather feels cold. No correction needed. No grammar checking. Movement matters more. English grows through use. Mistakes are signals. Your brain adjusts naturally. English becomes easy when fear disappears. Fear comes from judgment. Remove judgment. Replace it with presence. Did English appear today? That is enough. Environment shapes habits. Make English visible. Expose yourself passively. Your brain learns patterns, even without focus. End your day with English. 1 simple sentence. Emotion strengthens memory. React internally in English. Nice. That makes sense. Thinking precedes speaking. Speaking follows naturally. This is science. English is behavior, not information. You must live it. Daily light exposure beats rare heavy sessions. Easy beats perfect. Daily beats intense. Let English appear daily, without pressure or guilt. Progress happens quietly. Fluency grows naturally. English feels hard when methods feel heavy. English feels easy when habits feel natural. If this video helped you understand, like the video now. Share your thoughts below. Subscribe for future lessons. We build English step by step, without stress or confusion. I will see you in the next video.